I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to.
Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel and thanks for hanging out with me today. I will be doing another stamp with me and I have here my favorite clear jelly stamper, Jewels of Egypt stamping plate, and I will be using my demo tips as well as my new top and base coat. I will be painting these demo tips with Knight and Shining Armor from Kiara Sky. You all, I've been obsessing over my Queen transparent stamper. I love it. Before ever stamping, I always clear that plate with some acetone. And I don't remember who told me, but they're like, you can take that off and it be clear. So I take the back off every time now. And these are my clear jelly stamping polishes that I'll be using today. So how are you all? How's everything going? I hope you're doing well and your summer is going as you planned. I am having a very hot summer here in Phoenix, but I like the hot weather, so it doesn't bother me too much. I've also been obsessing over Ancient Aliens. I love that show, and Hulu put on some more seasons that I have not seen yet, so I've just been binging that like nobody's business. I love hearing all of the conspiracies and space and UFOs and the government. It's honestly so interesting to me to hear all of the different point of views and to go back centuries and centuries and to see ancient civilizations thriving. And what's even more interesting is a lot of information that comes from Ancient Aliens is that aliens came down to our Earth and helped us evolve by genetically modifying us. It is so weird, but honestly, I love it. I love it. Have you all watched Ancient Aliens? Let me know in the comments below. Also, on other news of Hulu, if you watch America's Got Talent, that is my show. And last night, the golden buzzer was, oh my gosh, who was it? Oh, it was this boy named Lucas, and he sang his heart out. I kid you not. From the screen, I was tearing up. And to be there in person, I could just imagine. So, if you're not watching America's Got Talent, I would totally tune in this year because it is so good. Not only is he good, but there's also the Swedish guy that plays the guitar and is so original, so authentic. I kid you not, guys, America's Got Talent every single year never fails to make me cry. I'm such a baby with that show because the cast, the audience, the judges, everybody is real. It's real people. It's not scripted. And reality TV is one of my favorite things. So, yeah. Also on Hulu, Harlots. Harlots is amazing. Amazing. If you want original TV series, go watch Harlots. It's based in 1730s London, and the women own brothels. And the show is completely directed by a woman, casted by a woman, produced by a woman. It is all about women. So I also really love that. I am big on strong female leads. I grew up watching Buffy the Vampire Slayer, Riding in Cars with Boys, Grease, Selena. I love strong female roles. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite movie is or TV show that you're watching right now. Alright, you all. So I chose these 3 specific colors because I did a little researching on Google Images on Egyptian scrolls, and a lot of their colors are just black, beige, and yellow. I did see some blue, but I was like, I'm going to replicate their actual colors. I have actually been using this mustard yellow for a lot of my recent manicures and demo tips. When I first purchased the color, I didn't even think I'd be using it as much, but it's almost out. This mustard yellow and my pink are out, so I use this color and I use pink the most out of any of my colors. Look at how beautiful this etching is. This is why I love Clear Jelly stamping plates. You can layer them, you can create so many different looks, so many different designs. It's so innovative. They're my favorite. I mean, look at the details. You can see every little, like the legs sitting, the wings expanding. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So with this nail, I wanted to create some pyramids looking off in the background, but I ended up messing up with this snake right here because it just kind of confused me. I was like, where is this supposed to go? And that happens with me sometimes, like with the layered stamping. Like right here, you can see it just doesn't match up. So I am just gonna completely stamp over these two images with Nephrodite's head. And this is what I usually do when I make a mistake. I just stamp right over because it always works. Right now it looks like a blob mess, but you will see it comes along, and that's another reason why I love these layered stampings. Oh yeah. Isn't she magical? Let me know in the comments below what you all think. I am just covering up the rest of those pyramids with some scrolls, and you would never even know that snake and pyramid were there. Oh, the magic of layered stamping. Gotta love it. And right here, I kind of went over with more gray for the neck and connected that black line so you can see her elongated neck. With clear jelly stamping plates, it is so easy to pick up. All you do is apply a little bit of polish, hold your plate down and scrape lightly, then pick up lightly. But when you push down on the nail, you'll want to push down firmly. I find this technique works every single time. And my Queen transparent stamper is just, oh god, amazing. I'm telling you, I don't know if it's because it's more closer to the plate. I roll and it's just instant. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite stamper or stamping products are. I love hearing from you all. All right, and add a little eye, and we are ready for the top coat. So this is my first time applying this no wipe top coat from iMethod Beauty, and you all, no smear, no smudge. This no wipe top coat is approved by me, and I was really wanting to see if my nail art would smudge or not, and it works just as good as my Kiara Sky's no wipe top. So you all know I'm a thermal changing freak, so I had to do it. And look how those scrolls and all the images just pop with the white background. I love Kiara Sky's Knight in Shining Armor gel polish. It is awesome. It looks so deep and dangerous with the gray. You all, thank you all so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed the stamping video with Clear Jelly Stampers, Jewels of Egypt. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite nail was, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Be safe and have a wonderful Thursday. Bye.